This is Oppikoppi Odyssey 2014, the MK edition, and it's not every day that you get to hang out in a tree with an international act. I'm quite feeling chuffed with myself. So just to start things off, for the viewers at home that might for some reason not know you, just quickly introduce yourself and tell us what Rival Sons are all about.
My name is Scott Holliday, and I play in a band called the Rival Sons. We are a rock and roll band.
Now, is this your first time to South Africa?
It is, yeah. Very excited to be here.
Did you expect lions and rhinoceroses like in our gardens?
Absolutely. I didn't see a lion or a rhino yet, but I did see the impala, a wildebeest, a zebra, and tomorrow we're going to go on one of those safari tours. So I'm expecting a lion or a giraffe or something.
Now, how long have you been in South Africa?
We got here last night. We haven't even been here 24 hours yet.
Now, have you heard of any of our local acts or?
Not so much. Name some.
A king? Die Antwoord.
Of course, Die Antwoord, yes. Taxi Jams, come on.
She just started with that.
That's hot. We actually had a lot of fun with them about, I think it was 2 years ago when that came out. We couldn't stop listening to it on the road. Constantly Die Antwoord, The Ninja, Butterfly, Taxi Jam. So that's who we are familiar with.
So I take it you haven't had any experience with South African cuisine yet?
Not so much.
Do you think you'll try some nice, maybe mopane worms?
I'm eating worms. I'm a vegetarian, so I can't eat a creature. I would still consider the worm the creature, so I will not. If it has the, like, does a worm have a face to you? It has a face. I don't want anything with a face.
I understand. I'm a vegan, so.
Yeah, so you get what I'm saying. Nothing with the face, cries for its mother. No, thank you.
You've got a really interesting stash going on here. High maintenance?
Yeah, as I've told you, very low maintenance, and actually I shave it every night. It's kind of like the movie Groundhog's Day with Bill Murray. I wake up and there it is, it's right back.
Now, what are we to expect of Rival Sons live show tonight?
Like I said, it's a rock and roll band, so it's going to be dirty and fuzzy and loud, and we'll play a few slow numbers in there too. So hopefully everybody here loves us.
Now let's end off by teaching you some cool Afrikaans words.
I like it.
Cool. Let's start with MK is kief.
MK is kief.
Yes, that's perfect. And now, MK is so lekker soos 'n cracker.
Say again.
MK is so lekker soos 'n cracker.
Sula cracker. MK. Sula.
Let's try that again. MK is so lekker.
MK is so lekker.
Soos 'n cracker.
Cracker.
Boom!
I'm Scott from the Rival Sons, and you're watching Oppikoppi Odyssey 2014.